Everybody, it's Eugene Lee Show, and don't forget that the Forensic Photography Symposium is just around the corner. So if you haven't registered yet, January 17th to the 20th, 2022, click on the link below. You'll get the schedule, you get the speakers, and the registration link. Today, I have Jonathan Hak, who's going to be one of our presenters, and Jonathan is going to be talking about effective courtroom presentations and things like image authentication and that sort of thing. So, Jonathan, thanks for being here, and what can you tell me about your presentation?
Sure, Eugene. The title of the symposium is the Forensic Photography Symposium, and my focus, therefore, is on the word forensic, which means that it has a legal application. All of the people attending this symposium are involved in taking images that have some legal application, probably mostly in a criminal context, but also in civil law. And so the purpose of my presentation is to talk about the legal tests that are involved in using images in primarily criminal prosecutions, but also civil litigation. And so I'm going to look at the statutory and common law tests that are involved in authenticating image-based evidence, and also the common law tests for accuracy and reliability, because those are the underlying tests that must be met in order to present image-based evidence in court. I'll also look at effective courtroom presentations within the time permitted, with some tips to how to present image-based evidence in a way that will sail through the admissibility challenges, but that will also be effective representations for the court when considering the evidence. Thankfully, we have a fairly rich legal history now, both in North America and beyond, for the use of image-based evidence. And so we're not starting from scratch in this area.
Yeah, and considering the recent events like the Kyle Rittenhouse, and we have a history, but there are still things that come up with digital images and video and all this sort of thing. So I think it's going to be quite timely and quite appropriate. So thank you very much. Looking forward to it.
My pleasure.